content, articles, and publishing posts here on LinkedIn. In order to do that, first let me show you how to visualize your company page. Here we are on the edit mode. You see here overview and edit mode. If we click here on go to members view, here we have the view that our followers will have for our page. If we keep adding content here at the bottom, adding posts, articles, we will see all that coming into play here on our profile. So now is the time to create this information, to see the new post, to post as a company and create valuable content for your audience. In order to add content for this page, we come here to your profile, and under manage we have your company page, and this is the company page name. So click on that and we will be delivered to that page. Here we have Welcome Up Mine, which is the company name, and now we are ready to start creating posts and articles. This is exactly the same process that we did for the personal profile as I show you before here on this model. The only thing that I want to show you here, which is important when you are creating content, is the target audience you are choosing. So basically you can choose to the public, so anyone on or off LinkedIn will see this, or you can target specific followers on LinkedIn. So if you click on target specific followers, you see that you can choose some target audience settings here at the top. Okay, let me go back there. Target audience. Here we have the option of language, so you can add languages. Let's say English here. Geography, you can add specific countries, specific areas, cities, and all that good stuff. So let's say United States. You can add more than one option here. Function, if they have specific function on their job. University specific study, if you are releasing a course or releasing a product that is related with some people that have specific skills, you can also choose all that here in this area. Industry, company size, senior level, and when you are happy with that, you click on save, and you will have a target audience for your post. I always like, and I recommend you, especially if you are starting, to publish all with the public option. So everybody on or off LinkedIn will have access to this. The Google robots will come here and will read your post, and it will also participate on the Google search if somebody search for a keyword that you have here on your post. And this is exactly the same. I won't spend time here showing you how to create posts, because this is exactly the same like Facebook, or exactly the same process that you follow to create posts on your personal LinkedIn account. So you enter the text here, you can enter links, for example, and the system will automatically grab the link for the image, the picture image for the link that you are posting. Also, you can also post images. Let me see. You can upload images here from your computer if you prefer. All these options are available here. Recommend you to post very often and completing your company business profile here on LinkedIn to make sure
subscribe to my channel.